The main objective to your YouTube channel is keeping viewers on it as long as possible. And you do that by having great content. Of course, that's the number one thing. But the secondly, you're going to have to come up with some strategies that make it easy for viewers to stay on your channel. For some reason, we're all sort of lazy when it comes to doing things like this, and what I'm getting to is when you create your videos, be sure you always add annotations to every video, linking to another video, or at least you put a subscriber box in the corner. And I have an example right here. Let me click play, and I'm going to turn that video completely off. And as you can see up there at the top, I have a subscription box on the right, and on the left side, if they click that, it'll take them to another video. Now, when they go to that video, if you add these in every video that you do, they're going to always be able to jump from one video to the next. It's just a big interlinked channel. I mean, it's one video to the next video right on down the line. And that is a great way to keep viewers on your site by adding those annotations. And Google also considers these annotations when they are looking at your SEO for your video. A video with annotations will outrank one without annotations every single time. Now, what the algorithm is for SEO for YouTube videos, I'm not sure YouTube knows. But I'm just being sarcastic too when I say that. But keep in mind, guys, you got to make it simple. You got to make it interesting. And most importantly, like I said before, you got to have awesome content. That's the number one thing. You got to have content that makes viewers want to watch your channel. And always try to end your video by asking them a question. What do you think about whatever it is you just discussed in the video? Or give me your opinion in the comments. Or don't forget to hit that subscribe button, And experts say it's only best to choose one, but most YouTubers now, at the end of every video, they say rank something and subscribe. And if you're like me and every other person probably watching, when you get to the end of the video, when they start all that jazz, and I even put it on my videos, you just probably turn it off. So it's best just to have one call out action is what they call that. A call out action or call to action or whatever you want to refer to it. Just have one. Don't ask them to subscribe and comment and follow you on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram and all that jazz. Bust it up in different videos, it does, and it'll do better. But be sure you always add your links in your descriptions. I'm not talking about that. I'm just talking about what you discuss in the video.